Hello everyone, welcome you all in this English revision video. Today we are going to revise grammar topic and we are having exercises of editing and omission as well missing words. So let's start with the stanza of editing and omission. Traveling in old days was not only slow and tired, it was also not freedom from dangers. Roads were generally full of robbers who often attacked travelers. If traveling over land was full of danger, sea travel was double so. Hence, people think twice before undertake a journey. So we have to find out error here. Okay. In first stanza, what is the error beta? What is the mistake here? And after finding mistake we have to make it correct. So traveling in olden days, old is mistake here. Okay, we will say traveling in olden days was not only slow and tired. Okay, tired again in second line. What is the mistake? Tired. What is the right answer beta? Tiring. Only slow and tiring. It was also not freedom from dangers. And in third line, what is the mistake? Freedom word. Here freedom word will not come. We will say it was also not free from dangers. Free will be the right answer. In next line, roads were journal full of robbers often attack travelers. So in fourth line, what is the mistake? Journal. What will be the right answer? Roads were generally full of robbers who often attack travelers. What will be the right answer? Attacked. Okay, attacked will be right answer. Often attack travelers. If traveling over land was full of danger. Traveling over is mistake beta. What will be the right answer? On land. If traveling on land was full of danger, then sea travel was doubly so. Double नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे doubly. Okay, means दो गुना. So in next line, hence people think twice before undertake a journey. In this line, what is the mistake? Hence people past में है तो हम क्या लगाएंगे? Hence people thought twice. Think is wrong. What will be the right answer? Hence people thought twice before undertaking a journey. Undertaking a journey. Undertake is wrong here. Right answer will be undertaking a journey. Okay. So this is first stanza beta. Now come to stanza number second. On went the train through the state of Colorado, a country richer in gold and silver mine. After a few days, something happened that stopped the train. A band of these bold red Indians held on the train, attacked the driver, steal the luggage, and fought for the passengers. So in first line, what is the mistake? On went the train through the state. Throw. The meaning of throw, फेंकना. But what will be the right answer? यहाँ पे throw mistake है बेटा. Through. THROUGH. The right answer THROUGH. Through. Okay. On went the train through the state of Colorado, a country richer in. A country richer. Richer is mistake. Rich will be right answer. A country rich in gold and silver mines. Mine is again wrong. Mines will be correct answer. Silver mines. After a few days something happened. Past में हमने लिखना है. So happen mistake है. ठीक है. Happened. Simple past. A few days something happened that again stop mistake है यहाँ पे verb की form stopped आएगा. ठीक है. That stopped the train. A band of these bold red Indians, these is wrong. What will be the right answer? Those bold red Indians held on the train, attacked the driver. Steal, again steal is wrong. What will the right answer? Stole, past में चला हुआ है, so stole the luggage and fought for the passengers. For is wrong बेटा, क्या लगेगा? With लगेगा. Fought with the passengers. This will be right answer. Okay, so this is editing and omission. Now we are going to do missing words beta. So let's start with